Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to allow camera and microphone access on Instagram. Once you've granted camera and microphone access, you'll be able to utilize Instagram's camera and video functions without difficulty. However, Instagram's privacy policy was recently changed, which may affect how your data is collected and utilized. Here are the three methods by which you can allow Instagram access to the camera and microphone. To enable the camera and microphone on Instagram, you must give the app permission to access them. This is how you do it. Launch the Instagram application on your device. Navigate to your profile by tapping the profile symbols in the lower right corner. To open the menu, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings or select Device Permission under your App and Media section. Then, choose either a camera or a microphone or both. To enable access, toggle the switch to the right. And the other method is on two devices, just like Android phone. To use Instagram's features that require camera and microphone access on Android, you must first enable them. Here's how you do it in Android. Launch the Settings app on your Android. Scroll down and tap Apps. Select and press Instagram from the list of apps or type Instagram. And select Permissions. Enable the camera and microphone permissions. While enabling Instagram camera and microphone access allows you to use its services, recent privacy policy modifications raise questions about how your data is collected. These worries can range from trackers that monitor your online activities to future data exposure. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.